This is the practice test for measurements, and we're working on problem number 14. The problem says, even if a person is in very good shape, applying to be a police officer requires commitment to fitness. Applicants must pass a physical fitness test. In order to prepare for the test, Janet purchases an activity tracker to record her steps. Her goal is to walk 10,000 steps each day. She measures her average step length to be 26 inches. And letter A says, if she walks 10,000 steps in a day, how many miles will she walk round to the nearest tenth? So we're told she's going to walk 10,000 steps each day, and each step is going to be 26 inches. So we multiply the 10,000 steps times 26 inches in each step, and that gives us the total number of inches that she's going to walk, 260,000 inches. Now we need to convert the inches into miles. We're asked how many miles does she walk in a day? And we have no formula on our formula sheet that will convert between inches and miles. So we're going to need two steps. First, we're going to convert from feet to inches. And if you look on your formula sheet, you find that you have a formula of 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And we're going to use that formula first. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Set it up as a ratio. And we know that she goes 260 inches in a day. And we're going to put that on the bottom because we have inches on the bottom over here. We're going to solve for feet on the top. So we take our two numbers across from one another. 260,000 times 1 foot. We multiply. And then we divide that number by the leftover number, the 12. And we get the number of feet. 21,666.7 feet. And I rounded this off at the tenths place. So this is the number of feet that she walks in a day. And now we have to convert that number of feet to miles. So we need a formula that goes from miles to feet. And if we look back on our sheet, we find that we have a formula here. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So we set that formula up as a ratio. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And we're going to solve using a proportion again. We put the number of feet on the bottom that we got before, and we're going to solve for the miles on the top. So we look for the two numbers across, we multiply them, and then we divide by the leftover number, and we end up with 4.1 miles when we round it to the nearest tenth. And so this is our answer, 4.1 miles.